Alright, we're just going to do a quick unpacking. I got a submersible metal detector. And it was not very cheap, but the cheaper ones were knockoffs and got really bad reviews, and then where the leaked water in the one end if you didn't seal it perfectly, which ends up killing your detector, which is a waste of money. So this is the original one that got really good reviews. It's the Vibra detector 740. Yeah, a lot of the knockoff ones are like 750, and yeah, the warranties are just not there. Just got home from work, so we're excited to play with our new toy. This thing looks pretty sweet. I'm gonna start finding some places to go with it. A couple warm springs around here I'd like to go and try out. See how it works, see if anyone's been detecting in there or not. Be a lot of fun. And this thing is waterproof up to 30 meters, I believe, so 100 feet, which is not too shabby. So I'm going to put the battery in here in the back, and I'll be right back with you. So you take the battery thing off. It's kind of like a boat plug where you tighten it, and there's just a little 9-volt that goes down in here. Comes with it. You tuck it back down in there, hopefully. That's far enough down in there. But yeah, it's just kind of like a boat plug where when you screw in the back, these two washers compress and that rubber seals up. So we're going to see how this works. Supposedly, yeah, you had to be really careful on the little knockoffs to get this thing sealed right, and it seemed like most of the complaints were they didn't get it sealed up right, and water got in there and destroyed their detector, and there was no warranty or anything like that. So alright, there's just some instructions they got on here, so that's good. It's got the little instructions. I'll put this cap on real fast. I'll be back. I only got 2 hands here. Alright, so that didn't seem too hard. It seemed to seal up really good. It's in there pretty good. So to turn this thing on, since it's meant to be used horizontally, just hold the unit coil up, light will flash 2 short pulses and steady dim light indicating unit is on. There's the 2 flashes and the dim light. So now we are on. Now, I have lots of metal, so you got to keep it moving, just like most metal detectors, to get it to trigger. You can go up and down now. That seems to work. As far as for pinpointing, that might be better. I'm trying to find a little smaller target here for us. Might have some coins up on it. The fridge. So right here there's nothing. Well, there might be something there. But over in here there's nothing. So you just got a couple quarter and a couple pennies that we found with a regular metal detector. So you don't have to do a whole lot of motion. And like I said, that up and down works pretty good at helping you kind of center it. That would be a useful trick. This is kind of fun to play around with outside of water. So yeah, it's a nice strong flash and vibration. And then, guessing to turn off after use, hold the unit up with the coil up light will flash 2 long pulses and no light indicating the unit is off. So hold it up, it knows it's up, 2 buzzes, and it's off. So that is pretty darn sweet. I think it's definitely going to be worth a little extra money to get the original one on this. Just seems that for 80 or 90 bucks difference, if the thing dies on you in one trip, it's just not worth your money. This is very nice, high quality made. There's our, you can't quite see them in there. Treasure Products Inc. is the manufacturer. So we're going to have to do some other videos with the GoPro when we're out. Yeah, so 30 meters, 100 feet. So you can do dry or wet. It does detect, it's a pulse. It's a pulse induction, PI. And so it is pretty nice. So obviously you got to be careful not to beat it around. And wipe it down with fresh water if you've had it in the ocean. So, yeah, we'll have to do some trips. And if you got any comments or questions,